Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you these chalkboard frames. I thought that they were picture frames. I mean, they can easily be picture frames, but when I looked in the back, it says here chalkboard, and they are made by Special Moments Memories Collections. So I bought these. They are actually frames, and they stand alone. But I bought these to repurpose. I just love the border around these. And I'm going to be using these as walls, and that's why I bought 4 of them. So pretend that these are the walls. I can easily place something on the floor, call it a rug, and I can place maybe a little table in the middle with some chairs and make a nice dining room setting in here. I mean, you can make anything, just use them as walls. And of course the floor here wouldn't be pink, wouldn't be lavender, but just the idea for these frames. I definitely will be using them as frames. You can even close them up like this, and you make yourself a nice room there. Look at that. Beautiful. Then I also bought something else that I haven't shown you. I bought a few of them, but I'm only going to show you one in this video only because it matches. But I found this LED light, LED hanging light, and it's not miniature. It has a little wire here so you can hang it somewhere. And I'll show you what it looks like on. This is what it looks like on. So if I were able to make a ceiling there, even though this is big, I could still hang it over like this. See what I'm saying? It's just an idea. It already looks like a dining room in there. Well, I think that this will be it. I hope that you've enjoyed this idea with these chalkboard frames. And thank you so much for watching.